Good day. I'm Ros Valens Ferrer, a fourth-year BSEC student from Colegio de Muntinlupa. This video present for my on-the-job training at Sharp Philippine Corporation under the R&D department. Here is the always Sharp saying, which is Sharp be original. This pen is not just a design but is a pioneer invention from the Sharp. The business philosophy of Sharp says that we do not seek merely to expand our business volume. Rather, we are dedicated to use of our unique innovative technology to contribute to the culture, benefits, and welfare of people throughout the world. It is the intention that the world of our corporation to grow hand in hand with our employees, encouraging and aiding them to reach their full potential and improve their standard of living. In our future, prosperity is directly linked to the prosperity of our customers, dealers, and shareholders. Indeed, the entire Sharp family. My OJT lasted for 300 hours from June to early August every weekday. There's no work at weekends. It is from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. I was assigned to the electronics group within the research and development department, the R&D team. They had about like 30 people with around 7 to 8 small groups in the department. Each day, they started with a short morning meeting, which really helped us stay connected and aligned and to know what is the task for the day and what is our priority for that day. We are assigned what is good in Sharp training is each um, trainee was assigned to have a mentor, a professional engineer, so that we are not just doing common stuff, but we are uh, being trained by this engineer in what they are doing. They will show it to us, educate us, and also teaches us on how to do those tasks, so that in the future, if we are working, we know how to handle things as a professional engineer. Here we have our roles in the R&D department, which is for me, I have a documentation and technical evaluation. My tasks involve both of these. I work closely with my mentor who guided me through using various test equipments that we will discuss later, like dummy loads as we can see here and oscilloscopes. I also participated in hands-on testings like what we are seeing here. I am testing the PCB of electronic systems such as video OKES system using wireless microphones, and all of the tasks that we are doing is documented in my mentor's PC, in my assigned um, computer where I log things. Here we have a oscilloscope. We use oscilloscope to measure the small voltage changes and monitor those changes and log it in our data sheet. We have here a digital power to measure the power consumption if it is feasible um, sh- to the market. We have here the two blue screen which shows TV mode and Bluetooth mode. Here there are several uh, options which we test every time we have changes in our system model, and that these three color cylindrical color green is the dummy load that we are talking, that so that In Sharp, we are tasked to test and evaluate the amplifiers, the video okay amplifiers, which we need to replace the speaker with dummy loads so that while testing, we do not need to use the original speaker to because it will make sound, but using dummy load with the same um, proper resistance, we can test it without vibrations and without sounds. Here we are showing the our evaluation room of the TVs and the amplifiers. One of the most valuable parts of my OJT was exposure to tools and industry practices, which I was mentioned earlier. I learned how to use equipment properly, the digital power monitoring, the oscilloscope, which helps what I learned at school, gain confidence in hardware evaluation, and was even introduced to PCB design using Altium Designer. Before, I was only editing in AutoCAD and EasyEda, but here in Sharp, Altium Designer was introduced to us, and we have a trainings to help us understand the software. Aside from technical skills, I also develop soft skills like communication, time management, and being a team player, which have a big help on me on socializing and in the field of working as junior engineer. This one is the one I'm pertaining that I am wiring or tracing the PCB board to locate how it works, how the data flow, how the current voltage flows to um, mitigate futures uh, error or to understand the and innovate this system. A highlight for me was working on wireless video okay system, which is this one. I helped evaluate the signal performance and documented the results for future reference. It was great. It was great to see how real products are developed and tested before reaching the market. One of the challenges I faced was adjusting into the industry level standards in documentation and testing because at school we just document it and analyze and then conclusion, but here we need to make sure we properly uh, executed each steps for the testing. I had to be very detailed and accurate, but with my mentor's guidance and team support, I gradually improved. I become more confident in handling technical tasks and learn to take initiative, especially in our engineering problems project at Sharp. Overall, this OJT was a very meaningful part of my ECE journey. It gave me clearer picture of how engineers work in the industry. I'm thankful for the opportunity to be part of the Sharp's R&D. I'm also grateful for, to my school for this learning experience. And thank you. This is our last picture from the Sharp. Be original. As you can see, I'm already wearing red polo shirt. So I can see myself working this company in the future. Thank you.